Draw a 4 centimeter line from here to take 4 centimeter. From here to take 4 centimeter line. And join these points. Considering these 2 points, this and this, I am drawing a 2 centimeter line from here, and from here to 2 centimeter line. Considering this line, properly keep the set square on this line and this point. It is 1.4 centimeter, and from here to it is 1.4 centimeter. So I will keep same distance here, 1.4 centimeter, and from here to I will take 1.4 centimeter, and I will draw line from this point till this point. Same thing we'll do here. From here we'll take 1.4 centimeter and properly keeping on this line the set square 1.4 centimeter, and from here to 1.4 centimeter. Draw the line. Now we'll join these 2 points, this and this. From here to we'll join these 2 points. Now we'll join this point and this point as shown. And this point and this point. This is how we made the cube. Thanks for watching.